Hey, I'm back, hopefully. Gonna do some nails for a very special cause. And gotta use these gorgeous pinks from Madam Glam. My rep was kind enough to ask if I would like to join the breast cancer awareness campaign. And I said, of course, I would love to. I am truly honored, and it's very close to my heart, as some of y'all may already know. And for the ones that don't know, I will explain later on in the video. If you'd like to pause and read the next part of this, be my guest. Come on, guys, let's thank Pink, give back while glamming up. And yes, Madam Glam will donate $5 for every pink bundle that is sold to survivingbreastcancer.org. So come on, let's help Madam Glam donate. And yes, I have a discount code, which you should see up on screen somewhere, Bramble35. You can save 35% off of your order, which Madam Glam was kind enough to give me for you all to use to save 35% off. Unless you're a VIP member, then it won't work because you already get 50% off and other perks that come with it. Check it out if that's something you're interested in. Hey guys, yes, I'm back. Hopefully, I'll explain more in other videos to come. This is not the video for it. But yes, also as I said before, I had a scare. I found a lump on my left breast, and I went and had some tests done. And they had to remove it to be checked if it was or not. Just luckily, it was benign. So it is very important that you keep a check, men and women, because yes, men can get it also. And also, I had an aunt which survived breast cancer, thank the Lord. And I know another person which survived, but also didn't survive a different cancer. May they rest in peace. And I have a very close person to me that is kind of worried. So if you would, keep them in your prayers. They're very, very close to me. I'm very worried. I hope it's nothing. But just keep them in your prayers. I would appreciate it. So go get checked. And you check yourself. That's how I felt mine. And let's not forget the women and men that's lost the battle to breast cancer. May they rest in peace. And let's have a moment of silence for them. I want to thank my rep and Madam Glam for giving me the opportunity to join the campaign against breast cancer. Thank you so much. Thank you all for being here with me on my journey. I appreciate you all so much. And I love you all. Thank you. Boy, have I missed it so much. And I missed you all so much. And I'm glad I'm back. It'll take some time to get caught up, but I'll do my best. Remember, October the 1st to the 31st. Get those pink bundles so Madam Glam can donate $5 for each bundle to survivingbreastcancer.org. I'm going to go now. I'm not shut up since I got on here. I hope you all enjoy the video, and thank you for being here. Love you all.